Hello friends, let's discuss about the lesser-known facts about the greenhouse effect. The moon lacks a greenhouse effect. Despite receiving sunlight similar to Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to trap heat. This results in extreme temperature variations, from about 173 degrees at night to 127 degrees during the day. Clouds play a dual role. Clouds contribute to the greenhouse effect by trapping heat at night, but they also reflect sunlight during the day, which can cool the planet. Natural greenhouse effect is essential for life. Without the natural greenhouse effect, Earth's average temperature would be about 18 degrees Celsius, making the planet uninhabitable. Friends, water vapor is the dominant greenhouse gas. Water vapor contributes the most to the natural greenhouse effect, more than carbon dioxide or methane, but its concentration is primarily controlled by Earth's temperature. Volcanic eruptions affect the greenhouse effect. Volcanic eruptions release carbon dioxide, contributing to the greenhouse effect. However, they also emit aerosols, which can temporarily cool the planet by reflecting sunlight. The ocean is a carbon sink. Oceans absorb about 25% of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities, slowing down the greenhouse effect. However, this also leads to ocean acidification. Methane is far more potent than CO2. Methane, CH4, is over 25 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide over a 100-year period, despite being less abundant. Friends, permafrost melting could accelerate warming. Melting permafrost releases trapped methane and carbon dioxide, creating a feedback loop that intensifies the greenhouse effect. Cities amplify the greenhouse effect. Urban areas, with heat-absorbing concrete and asphalt, experience an urban heat island effect, which exacerbates local warming. Ozone acts as both a hero and a villain. In the stratosphere, ozone protects life by absorbing harmful UV radiation. Near the surface, however, it acts as a greenhouse gas, contributing to warming. Greenhouse gases aren't always man-made. Natural processes like decomposition, respiration, and ocean atmosphere interactions also emit greenhouse gases. Historical records of the greenhouse effect. Ice core samples have revealed that greenhouse gas levels today are significantly higher than at any point in the past 800,000 years. Plants help reduce the effect to a limit. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, but their ability to offset greenhouse gas emissions is limited by deforestation and the sheer volume of human emissions. Feedback loops intensify the effect. For example, melting ice reduces Earth's albedo, reflectivity, causing more heat absorption and further warming. A natural greenhouse effect exists on other planets. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, with a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide that keeps its surface temperature around 464 degrees C, hotter than Mercury despite being farther from the Sun. Airplane contrails contribute to the effect. Contrails, condensation trails, from airplanes can trap heat, adding to the greenhouse effect, especially in busy flight corridors. Earth's greenhouse effect is relatively stable. Natural processes regulate the greenhouse effect to some extent, but human activities have disrupted this balance, leading to climate change. Aerosols have a cooling effect. Unlike greenhouse gases, aerosols from pollution can reflect sunlight, partially offsetting the warming effect. The first warning about greenhouse gases was in 1824. French scientist Joseph Fourier was the first to describe the greenhouse effect, long before climate change became a concern. Agriculture is a major contributor. Livestock farming produces significant methane emissions, and rice paddies release methane from flooded soils. Friends, I hope you liked this small video. Kindly subscribe the channel for more updates.